Online Birth Registration System is a web-based application form that provides parents and guardians with a convenient way to register a child's birth online. This will reduce processing times, increase efficiency, as well as improve the accuracy of birth records by giving parents and guardians greater control of the data they enter for their child's registration. The Online Birth Registration is a simple-to-use program with a left-hand navigation pane and multi-select fields throughout the application. As you hover over the questions, guidance notes appear to support the user in understanding the requirements of each question. The information collected on the first page assesses whether the child has been born, as you can only complete an online registration after the birth of a child. An online reference number is created so that the applicant can go back and complete the form at a later time if needed. The applicant is required to identify whether the application for a birth registration is for them, a child or other. The remainder of this section captures the details of the applicant who is completing the online form. A number of drop-down selections are available to identify what relationship the applicant has with the child on the application form: caseworker, father, grandparent, guardian, parent, mother, self. The address search supports us in reducing error by capturing the correct details as found by the Quick Address system that is used by Australia Post. This functionality is found throughout the application form. The child's details are captured here. Once a child's name has been entered, the form will personalise and auto-populate the questions with the child's name. The child's date of birth will appear pre-populated as the information has been taken from the first page. There are a number of options available for the sex of the child, including indeterminate, intersex, male and female. When yes is selected for born in hospital, a number of hospitals and the suburb town appear in the drop-down. Like the child's details page, the Parent 1 page personalises the questions and captures the details of the mother first. The applicant is required to select the identity documents that they will be uploading for Parent 1. One identity document from category 1, 2 and 3 are required at a minimum. If the applicant is unable to provide any documents from category 1 and 2, they will be required to provide 3 forms of ID, 2 of which must be from category 3 and 1 from category 4. The applicant will be required to add the details of the selected identity documents from each category. Once the details have been entered, a copy of the ID is required and must be uploaded. If the applicant is using a mobile device, they can simply take a picture of the ID and attach. The information that is entered for each ID will be automatically checked using the document verification service when the application is submitted. The process followed for Parent 1 is also applied when adding the details of Parent 2. If the parents are the applicants, this is where they make a declaration that the information on the birth registration form is correct. If the applicant is a grandparent, caseworker or guardian, they will be required to make the declaration as they have completed the form. The applicant is prompted to review the details entered before they are able to submit the application form. They can either download a PDF or review the information on the web page. The applicant is required to also check a preview of the birth certificate as a final check before submitting the application form. Once this has been reviewed, the applicant is required to click the I agree box and submit. Once submitted, a confirmation screen appears informing the applicant that the birth registration has been submitted. The applicant is informed that they can check the progress of the birth registration by using their unique online reference number at any time. The applicant is provided with a link to the online birth certificate application form. They can at this point choose to purchase the birth certificate or not. As the information has already been captured in the online birth registration, the certificate application will appear partially pre-populated. If you have any questions or feedback, visit us at www.bdm.newsouthwales.gov.au and click on the feedback link at the bottom of the page.